All right, hey, I am coming to you today from this pod because, oh, there's Mike again. That's so funny. You'll see him in this next video. There he is. Wave. He's going to come up and wave. This is great. This is perfect. I'm going to tag him in this video. That's so good. This is the intro. I have a guest speaker today on the channel because Scott is going to do an unboxing of our new Kaiterra Sensedge air quality monitor. I have one at my desk, but we have one here in the Omaha office. We have them actually in all of our BranchPattern offices, and they've been a really great partner. We also use them sometimes for on-site testing and like field testing. So one in particular, this Omaha one, went on a trip recently where it came back and for some reason, then the little sensor module wouldn't like stay inside of it. So our partners at Kaiterra were kind enough to just send us a new one, and I tasked Scott with unboxing it. So let's see how it goes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sarah's channel. I'm not Sarah, I'm Scott though, and we're going to take a look today at the Kaiterra Sensedge Professional Indoor Air Quality Monitor. So this is a indoor air quality monitor that we've been using in the office for a little while now. And what we like about it is this dashboard view that you can see multiple metrics all at once. So PM 2.5, PM 10, VOCs, CO2, temperature, and relative humidity. It also connects to the Kaiterra web portal for remote access, so we can easily see these metrics wherever we are. This is the SE100 model, and including the PM 2.5 and TVOC module, which we'll get into the box. This is also reset certified, as it says on the front there, so thumbs up for that. Let's get right into it. I'll go ahead and open up the box. See a nice Kaiterra logo right on the front. As we open up the box, we get a nice packaging display right away. This is just the mounting cover, along with the quick start guide. It's like a cable and a couple of adapters here for the power. A little bit more paperwork, and then the module and display is right at the bottom here. So we have the PM 2.5 module and the TVOC module right here. And then finally, right at the bottom, we get the display itself. So I'll go ahead and turn this on and we'll get right into it. I have taken a look at the instruction manual, and it appears that the first thing we should do is take off the plastic on the screen, because that's of course going to be the most satisfying. So let's go ahead and do that. Fantastic. All right, so the first thing is that there are two parts to the display. You should just be able to take off like so. And then this is where our two modules plug into. On top of that, there are also a few ports here: Ethernet, USB-C, USB-A, and so that will help us connect to power and ensure everything's set up correctly. So I'll go ahead and open up our power kit and get the right cords and adapters to plug into the wall and get this powered on. All right, so that clicks into place. And then our cable, USB-C to USB-A. This side's the USB-A, so we'll plug this in here, and the USB-C will connect into the housing itself. And then plug this into our outlet. That will trigger it on once I push the power button. Okay, fantastic. Also going to go ahead plug these modules in. Click in nicely, which is fantastic. Red lights down there, logo screen up here. We'll give it a second to start up and we'll go from there. All right, all it had me do was put in my Wi-Fi information essentially, and now we are up and running. Now the CO2 sensor is built into the device itself, so that's what we're seeing here. And then the TVOC sensor is warming up, and then the rest of the metrics here are being shown around the screen. So very helpful, very insightful. All of the information gets shown onto the website through our account, and so that allows us to have everything ready to go. So that was the unboxing of the Kaiterra Sensedge. I hope you enjoyed.